This is the bezel. I was going to take it out of the plastic, but it's fragile and I don't really want to. As you can see, like here, where the paint has started to flake, and there's actually a piece right here. So this paint right here is pretty fragile. When you pull it out of this bag, it might take off paint. So I really didn't want to. As you can see, like I told you before, the instruction thing is actually a piece of paper from Williams that was taped on here. But at some point someone added tape because it must have been starting to come off. I don't know if it was originally glued, but when I got it, it had tape. You could see the scotch tape and the additional tape to hold it on. As you can see, here's more cracks in the paint. Here's another piece that's missing. Here's more cracking here. And then if I remember correctly, which I can't tell now, I thought maybe someone, must have been something else. I thought maybe someone put some tape on the back of some of the paint to stop it from peeling, but it doesn't look like that's the case on this. I thought that might be, but I don't see it. But just be aware when you pull it out of this bag to be very careful because paint's probably going to come with it. It's fine, it's just a normal plastic bag, it's not anything, it's tight edge to edge. Probably if you're careful you can get it out. But again, I took it off because I didn't like the flaking on it. As you can look at the front, you could see here's the original instructions. Like I told you, it's an actual printed thing. On these, that's how it is. It's a window there that it's attached to the other side. And then you could see the art. Like here, like I said, it's missing. But other than that, it's like missing here too, little bits and pieces. And as you look at this, and if you go back to the other video that I showed you before, it's close. This is the original. This is what it's supposed to look like. The other, like I said, is a reproduction that they put together that's close. If you look at it, it's slight. It looks nice and it matches up, and it's close, but it's not an actual perfect reproduction. I just want you to be aware of that. Again, this is the original one right here, and I've owned this game for over 10 years, and I've actually looked to replace this for a long time, and I've never been able to find another one. So I don't know if you'd be lucky to find one. I don't know how many of these games are still out there and what's still available, but with it being painted like that and flaking like that, I'm going to guess there's a lot more that are just completely gone. That's it. If you have any other questions, I guess you have my number so you could text me. But that's everything on the game. Like I said, I've had it for over 10 years, never had any issues with it at all. And honestly, it could definitely sit here in my arcade. I'm like not a motivated seller at all. Just a quick, to give you some kind of idea of my game room. I've been collecting for a long period of time. And like I said, I'm not really a motivated seller, don't really want to sell. I could sit here. But if you're interested, there's all the information on it.